This is the summary created from the video. Lecture 25 Resource Management II. In the ever-evolving world of cloud computing, effective resource management plays a pivotal role in ensuring success. Cloud service providers strive to maximize resource utilization while minimizing costs, while customers demand guaranteed quality of service, as per agreed service level agreements. At the core of cloud computing lie the infrastructure platforms of IaaS, PaaS and SaaS, each catering to different user types, be it human or machine. Resource management involves efficiently controlling cloud resources and services for these users and applications, with a major focus on managing IaaS resources like virtual machines, storage, and networks. The broad objectives of resource management encompass scalability, quality of service, reduced overhead, and improved throughput, while also addressing low latency, cost-effectiveness, and simplified interfaces. This intricate process involves the coordinated management of CPU, memory, storage, workstations, network elements, sensors, and actuators, as well as logical resources like operating systems, energy, bandwidth, load balancing, security, delays, APIs, and protocols. Researchers have delved into various aspects of resource management, including provisioning, allocation, mapping, adaptation, modeling, estimation, discovery, brokering, and scheduling. Resource provisioning involves allocating resources to users or processes based on their requirements, while resource allocation ensures an economical distribution of resources among computing entities. Resource provisioning approaches range from Nash equilibrium game theory models for optimal allocation to network queuing models that cluster workloads using k-means to predict required server capacity. Adaptive provisioning techniques detect and dynamically resolve bottlenecks, while SLA-oriented provisioning dynamically allocates resources to meet user service level objectives. On the other hand, resource allocation approaches are driven by market demand using model predictive control techniques, intelligent multi-agent models for automated resource virtualization, and energy-aware allocation based on performance metrics. Dynamic, real-time allocation methods cater to small and medium IaaS cloud providers, while scheduling consolidation mechanisms optimize available resource mapping and utilization. Resource mapping approaches match users' requirements with providers' resources through subscription containers and container-based services for resource supply management agreements. Load-aware mapping optimizes resource utilization and reduces overhead, while request partitioning facilitates cost-efficient allocation across cloud providers, and adaptation techniques map virtual networks onto substrate networks. Adapting resources to changing demands is equally crucial. Guided control policies serve as learning mechanisms for adaptation, while web service-based prototypes and techniques like virtual networks and DNA-based load balancing facilitate resource adaptation. Hybrid approaches combine resource and load adaptation for optimal performance. Evaluating resource management approaches requires a comprehensive matrix that considers factors such as reliability, ease of deployment, quality of service, and delay limits. Control over resource management mechanisms is essential to achieve goals like scalability and the perception of infinite resources. Different user processes have varying requirements, such as high reliability, cost, low delay, and accuracy, which must be considered to meet the overall goals of cloud computing. In conclusion, effective resource management in cloud computing maximizes resource utilization while minimizing costs, ensures quality of service through service-level agreements, and encompasses the management of CPU, memory, storage, and network elements. Game theory models optimize risk allocation economically, while adaptation techniques enable dynamic resource adjustment to meet the ever-changing demands of the cloud computing landscape. Please stay tuned for more summary videos.